Hi all, this is Dr.R.Alarmelu Mangai, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. And in this video, today we are going to study about system testing and model-based testing. So in the previous video, we have studied about the black box testing and white box testing. Now we are going to see system testing. So system testing is a type of software testing that evaluates the overall functionality and performance of a complete and fully integrated software solution. It tests if the system meets the specified requirements and if it is suitable for delivery to the end users. This type of testing is performed after integration testing and before acceptance testing. So this process consists of first one is test environment setup. So first you have to create a testing environment for better quality testing. Next one is to create the test case. So generate the test case for testing the process. Next comes the create the test data. So you have to generate the data that is to be tested. Next step is execute the test case. So what you are doing, you are setting the environment, creating the test case and then creating the test data. Then now you are executing it. After the generation of the test case and the test data, test cases are executed. And next is defect reporting. So defects in the system are detected. And next comes the regression testing. It is carried out to test the side effects of the testing process. Next, what you have to do is log the defects. That is, you have to fix the defects and then you have to retest it again for whether it is checking whether it is running properly. Next one is model testing. That is model based testing. So it is a software testing technique that uses a model to generate tests. A model is a description of system's behavior, and in model based testing, the runtime software's behavior is evaluated according to the tests generated by the model. The examples of this model based testing are data flow, control flow, dependency graphs, decision tables, and state transition machines. So, coming to the types of model-based testing, first one is entity relationship diagrams. I think you would all be familiar with this ERD. You would have studied in database management paper. So, here these diagrams show how different entities in a database schema are related to one another. They are frequently employed in database design for showing the relationship and data structure between various entities. Next one is control flow graphs. This shows the order in which the code is executed, illustrating the control flow between program. And they are employed in test case generation, coverage analysis, and program behavior analysis. Next one is data flow between the datas, that is data flow diagrams. Here, this shows how data moves from a system with an emphasis on the entry, processing, and output of data. They are helpful in determining the data dependencies and confirming that data transformations in software systems are accurate. Next is unified modeling language diagrams, that is UML is basically a diagrammatic representation of the scenarios. So it offers a common notation for expressing different software system components. Use case diagrams show how users and systems interact, whereas activity diagrams show how control moves across a system. So we have seen this system testing and model based testing. System testing is for testing the system, where you will be creating the test cases, test data, and you have to execute and all those things. Coming to these types of model testing, here it is a model based testing where you will be dealing with ER diagrams, control flow diagrams, data flow diagrams, all those things. So coming to the assessment part, you have to have a thorough knowledge of what do you mean by a system testing and what is model based testing. Okay, so in the next class we are going to see about configuration testing. Okay, thank you.